alaikum. My name is Arfan Ahmed. I am Assistant Professor of Research here at the AI Center for Precision Health in Rawan Qatar. My team and I put together this course in order to fulfill the gaps for the healthcare workers here in this country. We first ran this course last year in 2024, and due to the large success of this course, we are repeating it now in 2025. This time, inshallah, it's going to be bigger and better. We have invited speakers and more hands-on workshops. The unique thing about our course is that it's tailor-made for the healthcare workers within Qatar. We will allow them to separate the hype from reality, and they will get unique insights from our guest speaker and an expert in this field, Dr. Faisal Farooq, as well as hands-on workshops for them to play around with real data from within their own field.